Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the language of the Admirals application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the services button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on the fourth option, language. You should tap on the continue button so that you will be directed to your phone settings, where you need to click on the preferred language section. As you can see, the default language is English, but you can choose from other languages too. All you have to do is just clicking on the relevant one, and then the language of the application will be updated automatically, as you can see. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.